Hi, Mr. Lemaster here. Let's start with the question. Where in paragraphs 3 through 6 does Marian Garetano reason through her evidence? All right, let's start with evidence. Evidence is the proof that the author provides to support an argument being made. So there's a claim, and then there's evidence that follows. That's typical argument. And that evidence can be all sorts of things. It can be facts, it can be research studies, it can be observations, it can be authorities in a specific field, okay? So that's evidence. But we need to find where the author is reasoning through her evidence. Now let's go back a little bit. When we were in elementary school, we learned to write opinion papers. For example, we might be asked, what is your favorite season? Well, that's an opinion. My favorite season is spring. And then we were told, provide reasons. So I would say one reason why I like spring is because it starts to warm and my family can camp again. That's a reason, all right? In middle school and high school, reason changes in its meaning. Reason now is how an author explains his or her evidence. So to reason through evidence means the explanation of evidence, the explanation of the evidence. So we don't want to see just evidence, but we ask the author, why are you putting this evidence here? And the author usually explains what the evidence is trying to show or prove. And it's always connected back to the central claim. So it says paragraphs 3 through 6, and we have to mark the reasoning. So let's go to paragraphs 3 through 6. This is paragraph 1, paragraph 2, sliding down, paragraph 3. Okay, so we want that right there at the top. Paragraph 4, paragraph 5, and then paragraph 6. All right, I'm going to go through these very quickly, but I want us to identify where in the text the reasoning. So keep your eye open for it. This one says, according to Huffington Post article, okay, this is evidence. All right. It isn't just in books. Aha. So this is now combining what's happening with these books. And this is about t-shirts. Marvel releases t-shirts. Okay. Be a hero. I need a hero. Okay. More evidence. So far, no reasoning. While some may see the negative reaction to things such as t-shirts and books as overreacting, okay, that's the other side. She's acknowledging the other side here, that some people might think that, hey, this is an overreaction of what we're really doing here. We're just having fun. The reality, now look at this, is that these small messages, what is she talking about? The small messages are the books up here to be gorgeous for boys and to be gorgeous for girls, and then for boys, how to be clever. These small messages, we'll go back to the t-shirts, be a hero for boys, I need a hero for girls. Build up over time, all right? Promoting a message to girls that they are damsels in distress, that they need rescuing, who need to be rescued, and that their main goal should be to be pretty. And boys receive the messages that be seen as masculine. So this is where she's explaining these two paragraphs, 3 and 4. She says the reality is this. So I'm going to go ahead and actually mark all of this material here, because this is where she reasons through her evidence. Boys receive the message that they are to be tough, intelligent, and ready to rescue, which can be equally damaging. And I'm going to go ahead and mark that, but I'm not done because it says paragraphs 3 through 6. Now, when kids graduate in paragraph 6 from pink and blue to adult worlds of magazines, TV and internet advertising, the messages get more explicit, which means like clearer and more overt, more in your face, more like clear. Think of Axe commercials, and you know what? She's going to now explain more, or not explain, sorry, she's going to provide more evidence here. So the only place that she reasons through her evidence so far, at least between paragraphs 3 through 6, is right here in paragraph 5. And I've marked it, and that's the answer. She's explaining her evidence and how it relates to the claim.